In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change Godaddy account username and password. If you want to update the login details for your Godaddy account, you can do it from your account settings. Before you start, make sure you are able to access your account and that you know your current username and password, because you will need the current password to change it. To begin, log into the Godaddy website. Open your preferred web browser and go to the Godaddy site. Then enter your current login information and sign in. Once you are on the main page after logging in, you are ready for the next part, which is locating the account menu. Next, click your account name in the top right corner. This is usually shown as your profile name or account label, and it sits in the upper area of the screen. Clicking it opens a drop-down menu with options you can manage. Take a moment to make sure you click the correct name in the top right, since this is what leads to the settings panel. After the drop-down menu appears, click Account Settings. This choice is where Godaddy groups the controls for security and login preferences. Look for the option that clearly says Account Settings, then click it. This step matters because it takes you to the area where Godaddy lets you update username and password details. In the Account Settings area, click Login and PIN or Security. Depending on the layout of the site, the label may be shown as Login and PIN or simply Security. Both are meant to guide you to the same general login settings. Choose whichever one appears on your screen. When you click it, you should see controls related to your username and password. Now you will edit your username first. Click Edit next to your username, then type the new name and click Save. Be sure to enter the new username carefully because it is the exact name you will use for future logins. After you type the new name, click Save to apply the change. If the site shows any confirmation or updates the display, you can proceed with confidence that your new username has been stored. With the username change complete, you will now update your password. Click Edit next to your password. This will open the password fields for making a change. When prompted, enter your current password first. Then enter your new password in the New Password field, and follow the required format or any password rules shown on screen. After you have entered both values correctly, click Save to submit the update. It is a good idea to pause for a moment after saving, because sometimes Godaddy may refresh the page or display a brief confirmation. If you are still signed in, you can continue using your account right away. However, if you ever sign out and log back in later, you should expect to use your updated username and your new password. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.